So nice.
Okay.
Nag-order kami sa Crabtonite.
Maybe they last us.
So, ang nasa loob ng bag ay
Their
placemat.
placemat.
Then, blue crab with Cajun sauce mild. Then, red shrimp in Cajun sauce, very hot. And last, New Zealand mussels in lemon ghost pepper, mild. May kasama siyang beef. Then, gloves, board bib, tsaka masasarap na pagkain.
This is my kuya's favorite seafood restaurant. So, he likes the shrimp so much. This is his favorite. And they serve it in different levels of spiciness. So, he ordered very hot. He likes it spicy in Cajun sauce. Wow!
Pinag-plastic nila?
Yes, of course. Because they mix the sauce and the shrimp inside the plastic. Whoa!
Nice.
Then, he will do. He'll pour it.
Yeah. He knows how to eat.
So,
Oh my goodness, ang bango!
oh. Oh my goodness.
Covered na covered sa flavor, no?
Yes. See? His facial expression is very
Really excited na rin.
Answer. Speaker. It's very spicy, a little bit tangy, and the spices have molded very well with the food. It doesn't feel bitter or too hot, so you can eat as much as you like. And I think this will gel really well with jasmine rice, and I think this makes Metilicious seafood one of the best in Qatar. I think, wow, the taste, and especially if you mix it with the spices like this, amazing. The taste is just unbelievable. The fresh taste of the sea, along with the best of the spices. And I think the spices come from the Malabar coast, and it's just a different level of spicy seafood. Amazing. Good job, Metilicious.
Wow. The smell itself, it's like buttery smell. It smells so good. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And wow. And garlicky. Yummy. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, oh my God, so good.
Oh, wait.
To all the seafood lovers out there, you should try Crabtonite or Meatilicious.
It's in the pearl. Then next is like the most awaited crabs.
Wow, lalaki.
Of course.
The best thing about Crabtonite way of packaging the seafood is that everything gets absorbed into the food that you're eating. That means that every bite that you take like this, it tastes amazingly absorbed in all the spices. Plus take a little bit of jasmine rice, dip some more in the spices, and amazing taste. I think this is the best seafood restaurant in Doha. It's at Pearl, and I think you're missing a big part in your life if you have not enjoyed eating Crabtonite.
What we do here is go back.
One of the other amazing things which Crabtonite does is look at this beautiful boiled potato that they have put into the mix. Along with this, you have cod, and this just adds to the flavor and makes the spices a little more strong. So when you mix the potato with the spice, put a little bit of jasmine rice, and you get unbelievable taste of seafood with veggies.
This tastes sweet with the garlic, then the butter.